Good morning, friends. We are continuing the chapter crystal imperfections. These are the basic form from which they are coming from SCC, simple cubic structure. Means they are forming a simple cubic structure. They come from this. There are also given some examples of BCC, FCC, and SCP. SCP also called closed pack SCP. SCP also called CPH or SCP. SCP means hexagonal closed pack structure or closed pack hexagonal. Suppose you are taking this atom. How much atoms are surrounding to it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means its coordination number is coordination number is 6. You got? Next, body centered cubic structure, crystal structure, body center, BCC. Body center means one atom is at the center of the body. SCC means simple cubic structure, means eight atoms are present at each corner. But body center means what you see the words body center means one atom is present at the center of the body. This you see the 3D gram and another 3D gram is here. Then its coordination number is 8. Its coordination number is 8. Coordination number equal to 8. How you got? You are considering middle atom. Then how many atoms are surrounding to it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is coordination number is 8. A line is passing through center of the body center atom. How much from one corner to another? How much distance? R, 2R, R means 4R, and root 2A or A. How you get root 2A? This side A, this side A, this side also A. Means A, A. Then how much you got? Suppose this is 4R, this is root 2A, this is A. You see this upper triangle. You see down triangle, how much you get? A, A, root 2A. These are 90 degree. Root 2A. This one is 90 degree. Then by Pythagoras theorem, how much you got the diagonal? Root 2A. This is root 2A. You know by the Pythagoras theorem, 4R whole square equal to A square plus root 2A whole square. Means A square plus 2A square equal to 3A square. Or you remove square from both sides, then how much you get? 4R equal to root 3A, or A equal to 4R by root 3. Atomic packing factor, how much you got? Atomic packing factor equal to number of atoms into volume of each atom by volume of cube. How much you got? 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube. No, not this is 2. How you got 2? This is 2. Number of atoms equal to 2. You got the formula atomic packing factor is equal to 0.68. Then void equal to 1 minus 0.68 equal to 0.32. How you got number of 2 atoms? You know from SCC each corner 1 by 8 into 8 equal to 1 plus inside plus 1 inside atom. Total number of atoms equal to 2. So it is 2. Number of atoms into 2 FCC, FCC face center cubic structure means at each face one atom is present. At each corner one atom is present. Also at each face one atom is present. Cube have how many faces? 6 faces means 6 faces have 6 atoms. But in you see the face atom, half portion is inside and half portion is outside. Similarly, in this atom, half portion is outside, half portion is inside. Then number of how many number of atoms? Number of atoms equal to 1 by 6, 1 by 2 into 6, half portion inside, half portion outside. How much you got? 3 plus 3 plus 1 by 8 into 8 equal to total number of atoms equal to 4. Its how much its coordination number is coordination number means how many atoms are surrounding to one atom, means one atom means face centered atom is how much this centered atom is surrounding by how many atoms, 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4. This plane, suppose this plane another plane is outside this side, then this side also covering 4 atoms, means total coordination number is 12. Do you understand? This 1 2 3 4, another 1 2 3 4. Suppose this another plane is in this side, then another 4. Total coordination number is 14. Atomic packing factor, how you got? APP. Total number of atoms, how much? 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube by volume of A cube. How much you got A cube? You see this diagram, you passing a line through face centered atom, 2r, r and r, means 4r equal to 4r whole square equal to a square plus a square. Pythagoras theorem of this triangle, from Pythagoras theorem of this triangle. Then 4r square equal to 2a square, 4r square equal to 2a square. Then r equal to a by root 2. A by 2 root 2. A by 2 root 2. Do you understand about that? Okay. You just put the formula A into 4 by 3 pi. How much r you got? A cube by 8 into 2, 8 into 2 root 2. 8 to 8 to 16 by a cube. You got, by for solving this you got 0.74. Then the void equal to 1 minus 0.74. You got 0.26. Means 26% is spaced, means blank, and 74% is filled with atoms. Hexagonal closed packed structure. In hexagonal closed packed structure, top face is 6 corners and 6 atoms are at each corner. Similarly, bottoms have hexagon structure, 6 atoms at each corner and 1 atom at half portion is above and half portion is down inside the structure. Similarly, half portion is inside the structure, half portion is outside the structure, and another 3 atoms are at the interior of the structure. These 3 atoms are completely inside. Then number of atoms, how much? Number of atoms equal to 1 by 6 into 6, 1 above plane plus 1. How? Two planes na, above top planes and bottom planes. So 1 plus 1 1 by 6, how 1 you got? 1 by 6 into 6, half 1 by 6% is inside and 5 by 6% is outside. 1 by 6% is inside. So for top face 1, total of 1, for downward plane 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 2, and inside 3, means 2 plus 3, these 3 atoms 3, and this plus half portion are outside, half portion are inside, means half by 2 into 2. Why 2 planes? One first plane and second plane. Means how much you got? Total number of atoms is 6. Number of atoms is equal to 6. These have APP, atomic packing factor, equal to same as FCC 0.74. Void equal to 0.26, means 26% are out free space and 74% are filled with atoms. Its coordination number is 12. Same, its coordination number is also coordination number equal to same as FCC. Thank you.